That's right. For many locals, the Cape Fear River is their lifeline. It's where they fish, it's where they get their food. And they say this proposal, one that would withdraw up to 6 million gallons of water per day without replenishing it, they say it's not sustainable.
It's going to kill the river. We're going to, not just including the people using the river for resources, for water and everything else, but as far as your fishermen and everything else coming out here, that's going to be the end of it.
Seth Maldonado understands how vital the Cape Fear River is to the community.
A lot of people that go and they put in this river and they fish this river and they do nothing but fish for food, for their family, or for whatever they want to do.
A recent proposal by the town of Fayetteville to pull gallons of water per day from Cape Fear River and release it into the Neuse River without replacing it has many concerned.
Why it concerns Cumberland County is because it limits the capacity of water that's going to be in the Cape Fear River, that ultimately limits capacity of water for us here in Cumberland County.
Interbasin transfers are becoming a frequently used tool to manage water scarcity and meet growing demand.
About taking it out, but you've got to put it back in the place where you took it out from, and it should be cleaner and safer when you put it back in. The problem that we see here is they're putting it back into a different location. So we're losing capacity. And that
Fayetteville currently purchases water from the city of Raleigh, Harnett, and Johnson County, but say it's not enough. Despite Fayetteville town officials saying the current proposal meets the requirements of water transfer, Cumberland County officials warn it could have long-term environmental consequences.
And while it may not seem a big deal now, but when you start talking about droughts, when you start talking about growth, especially across eastern North Carolina and down the Cape Fear River, whether that's industrial growth or whether that's residential growth, that will be impactful. I mean, having water is a critical resource.
At the bait shop, Seth is hoping his voice can make a difference.
If you don't go, then they're just going to do whatever they want to. And it doesn't matter to anybody else on that end of the spectrum that it affects us.
And two things from the Fayetteville Public Works Commission. They say a transfer of this size could impact nearly 1 million residents across 5 counties in North Carolina. 250,000 of those residents they serve here in Fayetteville. They also say it poses a national security risk because they supply up to 8 million gallons of water to Fort Bragg. As a reminder, there is a public hearing tomorrow. Live in Fayetteville, Penelope Lopez, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
And we know people will attend and raise their voices and concerns. Penelope, thank you.